What's going on, everyone? Welcome back to a new video. My name is of course Paul. Today of course is officially iPhone day, and yes, we've got two videos going live today. One with this one. This is the deep purple iPhone 14 Pro. Then we got mine, which is the space black 14 Pro Max. Both 512 gigabytes, but we're going to kick it off with deep purple. So let's get into the video. So I'm just going to do this here. I'm not going to take you down to the carpet, down to the toaster, or nothing like that. We're just going to do this right here, right now. Get it out the way, get it unboxed. I'm not going to set this one up. I'm just going to show you the deep purple and show you some camera stuff from it. And then I'm going to show you the 14 Pro Max is going to be the one that I'm going to set up properly. And that will be obviously my phone. This one is not mine, so it will be going to the person who owns the phone. You get two tabs, one at the top and one at the bottom. So we're going to go ahead and we're going to peel off tab number 1. There's one. And then we're going to peel off tab number 2. Like so. So both tabs completely peeled. Box lift. And there it is. The new deep purple. It is very, very purple. I'm actually quite happy I didn't go for the purple now, as I was tempted by it with it being the new colour. Obviously I was hoping they were going to do blue, but they never done it this year. It was literally gold, silver, black, and of course the purple. It does look good. It does look really good. If you got it, I'm sure you're very happy with it. But unfortunately it's just not for me. At the end of the day, mine are always covered with some form of case. I only take them out every now and again, and then I do feel a bit nervous that they're out the cases. So let's go ahead, let's take this out and let's see what else you get. I know it's not much, but let's just take this out. We'll peel off the front together in a sec, so we'll place that to one side. Oh, USB-C, everyone's going on about this year. We knew we weren't getting it yet. It will be coming, but obviously just not yet. You get your USB-C to lightning charging cable. As long as you got the fast charger, you're going to be able to fast charge. Inside the top part, nothing else inside there apart from this little booklet. So inside the little booklet, you get all your usual stuff. Your SIM ejection tool, obviously too soon America, a bit too soon. And you get your Apple sticker of course, but you get a load of little booklets and your sticker. But you do get a SIM ejection tool. But at the end of the day, I'm sure, you know, with eSIMs and stuff like that, I'm pretty certain that's going to be coming in the next iPhone to everywhere. I'm sure it's not just America, I'm sure it's just going to be a nice little rollout, get America ready, and then all the other countries are then probably going to follow suit with eSIM. And let's take off that front cover together. Let's go, are you ready? And boom, there we go. So there it is, you got lovely purple rails down the side. There is of course the back in the purple. It's got a lovely shimmer to it. That new camera bump there as well, it's larger than the last one. And of course the button layouts, they're ever so slightly higher than the 13, which is why the old cases will not fit this. They do fit, but they're not very good, and your buttons are ever so slightly out of sync. But that new purple does look really, really good. The purple side rails look fantastic. There's that SIM tray right there, just for the American viewers at home. No eSIMs yet, but as I say, I'm pretty certain it will be coming very, very soon, so I wouldn't bear too much on it. And I'm certain that eSIMs in the States right now have become very, very easy to do very, very quickly, so I'm sure it's not a big issue right now. But the new purple does look really, really good. So let's go ahead and let's power it on so we can take a look at Dynamic Island. So there we go, switching on for the first time. Yes, this is not mine, but I did have permission from the owner to do this, and we do have cases as well for the 14 Pro. So make sure you stay tuned for that video. These videos are going to be coming out very, very quickly. So there it is, the purple iPhone 14 Pro, and there is of course Dynamic Island. So let's go ahead and I think we've been given permission to go ahead and just open up a setup and get it to the home page. And I'm really so happy I've got my iPhone back, by the way. I sold my iPhone weeks ago, I mean well over a month ago now, to get the maximum profit out of it, to be able to buy the other one that I've got, and to basically bring these videos straight away. That's what I was after, that's what I was hoping to do, and I've managed to do it, which is fantastic. O2, by the way, seamless, absolutely seamless delivery. Seamless ordering as well. I was able to order it even before the 1 o'clock launch went live, so happy days. Nice 102. It went really, really well. It did go really well. I've also ordered the new Apple Watch as well, which is coming next Friday, so make sure you stay tuned for those videos. They're going to be coming out very shortly. let me go ahead and let me set up a Wi-Fi network and get into this so I can show you the home screen with a bit of dynamic island. Okay, so after the quick setup, we're now into the phone. It's completely set up. I haven't logged in or not, and as I say, it's not my phone. I've just put a passcode in, and just being able to get it to this level. Obviously everything needs to be signed into, but this will be for the owner later on today, so I hope she enjoys this, because that's where it's heading. It's heading into the wife's hands, not mine, as the purple just wasn't for me, as I say. Okay, but there it is. There's Dynamic Island at the top. Obviously I'll show you more of this working with the Pro Max video, so stay tuned for that one going live. But this has just been a quick, simple unboxing of setting up the Deep Purple 14 Pro. Let me know if there's anything you want to see with the Pro model over the Pro Max model. And as I say, I've got case videos coming soon, just solely for the 14 Pro, so make sure you stay tuned for those. But for now guys, I'm going to go and edit this video and get it live for you guys to watch. And obviously I've got another video to film straight away and get that up tonight too. Sit back, relax and enjoy these camera samples just straight from the 14 Pro. Thank you guys so much for watching. I truly appreciate it, as always. Like if you liked it, subs if you loved it, turn on those notifications so you don't miss future uploads from this channel just like this. And as I say, let me know what you want to see. But see you in the next one. Take care guys, see you all soon.